To automatically update dynamic lock screen wallpaper in the current rotation on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen and then tap wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Next, tap wallpapers. Scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper services section, tap dynamic lock screen thumbnail. Scroll down the screen. And then tap the gray on off switch next to auto update until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will automatically update the wallpapers in your current rotation or those categories you select from time to time. It ensures that your phone lock screen stay fresh with new images without any manual effort. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.